Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to download AOL mail application on your Android device. But before moving on to our video, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. In order to download AOL mail application on your Android device, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open Play Store on your device. After opening Play Store, in the search bar, type AOL and press the search button. After that, Play Store will show you result, and right beside your result there will be a green install button. Press there and your download will be started. To learn more about this application, go inside and then you can find a section where it is written about this app. There you can learn more about the application. After waiting for a while, your application will be successfully installed and then you can use it to its fullest. I hope today's tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.